pinched, so they're pulling, kinda. And what'll happen with this, and this, is as it goes over, they'll fold up instead of jabbing holes in the ground too. You want to follow this? Sure. Okay. So, I'm gonna put my saw in there. Put it all the way back on the cut, and I'm seeing that's where the notch is faced. If I look, below it, there's that one there, and those are the ones that impact the load. The other one got onto the concrete.